Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Anita Chopra here, and today we will be learning about the future tense. In my earlier video, I have already discussed about the future, past tense and present tense. Today we will be covering the last part, that is future tense. First, let us discuss about future tense. Future tense is any action which will be taking place in the near time or in the near future, which is not yet taken place. Let us discuss the first box, that is simple present, simple future. Okay, simple future. When we talk about simple future, that is the subject sentence structure. Let us discuss subject plus will, shall plus verb first form. Now, when you will be using will and when you are supposed to use shall, when you are 100% sure, when definitely you are sure about some action that will take place in the future, at that time you are supposed to use will. And when you are not sure about any action which will be taking place in the future, that time you are supposed to use shall, because you are not sure. 50-50 chances are there, right? For example, I will play or I shall play. Okay, if I want to make this sentence into negative, then I will not play. Okay, and if I want to make interrogative with the same thing, same sentence, I will bring this will in the starting of the sentence, that is will I play. So this becomes the interrogative sentence question. Okay, let us move to the second box, that is future continuous. As I already told you that future continuous, when you hear the word continuous, you are supposed to recall that when the word continuous is there, then in any of the tenses, then you are supposed to remember that verb first form plus ing will be used. Yes, what will be the sentence structure here? Subject plus will be or shall be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. So the sentence will be I will be playing. Okay, I will be playing. If I want to make this sentence negative, then I will not be playing. Okay, और मैं इसे इंटरोगेटिव बनाऊंगी तो will I be playing, तो ये बन गया मेरा क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Now let us come to the third box, that is third column, that is future perfect. In future perfect, I told you when the word comes perfect, you are supposed to recall, like in continuous, verb first form plus ing. In the same way, if perfect is there, you are supposed to remember verb third form is used always in the sentence. Here sentence structure will be subject plus will have or shall have, yes, plus verb third form plus object. Let us discuss the sentence. I will have played. ठीक है, third form. Now, what if I want to make this into negative, then I will have not played. ठीक है, और जब मुझे interrogative बनाना होगा तो I'll bring this will in the beginning, that is will I have played. So this becomes a question. ठीक है, last one, that is future perfect continuous. This column is usually not there, but we can discuss this कि हम देख लेते हैं कि इस sentence में, इस box में कैसे sentence बनाए जाते हैं. Future perfect continuous. Sentence structure will be subject plus will have been or shall have been plus continuous is there, that means verb first form plus ing will be there, plus object and since or for will be used depending upon the time given in the sentence. Okay, so the sentence will be I will have been playing since morning. Okay, since morning, because here I am not sure about the time, so I have to use here since. If I am sure about the time, then you are supposed to use for. Okay, अब मैं इसे नेगेटिव बनाऊंगी तो I will have not been playing since morning. have के बाद में not लगा दूंगी. और अगर मुझे क्वेश्चन बनाना हो तो what I'll do? I'll bring this will in the beginning of the sentence. Will I have been playing since morning. Okay. I hope this video is useful to you, and I hope you understood tenses with this video. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.